Maximizing Sustainable Benefit. One Community Weekly Progress Update, number 587.
One Community is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. We are creating open source and free shared blueprints and resources, tools and tutorials, and do-it-yourself instructions for highest good living. Creating solution models that create additional solution creating models in the service of all life on this planet. This includes highest good approaches to food, energy, housing, education, for-profit and non-profit business creation, society, and true earth stewardship.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Jay, and this is our June 17th, 2024 edition of our Weekly Progress Update. And today I want to talk about maximizing sustainable benefit. And the reason why I want to talk about maximizing sustainable benefit is because humanity right now is facing some pretty dire challenges. And if we can maximize the benefits of sustainability in a model that addresses those challenges, we can shift our current paradigm from an unsustainable one to a sustainable one. And so One Community is creating the comprehensive solution that is the alternative to the Band-Aid solutions that have been applied thus far. And the way that we're doing that is by open sourcing and free sharing all of the foundations of sustainability, covering physical sustainability as well as emotional sustainability for an evolution of sustainability that creates a way of living that most people will consider to be better than the way they're living right now. And we're open sourcing and free sharing it so we can make it easy enough, affordable enough, and then demonstrating it's attractive enough so that the idea will spread its own. And so the physical foundations of sustainability, and where our goal is to maximize sustainable benefit in each one of these areas so that people can implement them either as the complete combined model, taking the physical and the emotional sustainability and showing what these complete models look like as teacher demonstration hubs designed to teach others how to create additional teacher demonstration hubs, a self-replicating model, but also maximizing sustainable benefits so that people can see the benefit, and those that aren't interested in that model can just implement the individual components. So everything you see happening in the background of the video here is designed to be able to be modular, broken up individual components so it can be implemented as either individual components or as the complete component within the bigger picture of food, energy, housing, what we call highest good approaches to fulfilled living, education, economics, and stewardship. All these foundations, physical foundations, emotional foundations, putting them together as a comprehensive model that people will be able to come and visit as an ecotourism destination. And our goal is to demonstrate maximizing sustainable benefit so well that people that step into these environments can't feel comfortable anymore going back to their traditional 9-to-5 jobs, where they get 2, maybe 4 weeks of vacation a year, don't get to spend very much time with their friends and family, looking for that day when they can finally retire, when instead they could live in an environment designed to create a uniquely meaningful life experience, an outstanding life experience, purposed and focused on enrichment and people sharing their gifts and making a difference in the world, designed on this foundation of all these sustainable infrastructure components that reduce the cost of living, provide more free time to do the things that people want to do, and more opportunities within that environment to use that free time and to share those gifts with other people, and for an organization like ours with the public, and open sourcing and free sharing all that. So maximizing sustainable benefit for the highest good of all people and life on this planet by building these open source teacher demonstration hubs designed to create a global collaborative of these organizations working together around the world and open sourcing and free sharing all of their modifications, adaptations, evolutions, iterations of what it is that we're doing as well, so that we can create a sustainable world within our lifetime. Doesn't mean that every single person on the planet is going to participate. That's ridiculous. It means that we can reach that tipping point of mainstream involvement such that we shift from the unsustainable paradigm that we're in right now to a sustainable paradigm. And so we're creating state-of-the-art collaboration models, state-of-the-art software for managing it all the open source tools and resources and templates as a structure for creating the first version, and then being able to open source and free share all the iterations and adaptations as well, so we can demonstrate the benefits of solutions over these band-aids. And this comprehensive solution designed to be able to be implemented in any environment, not just in a remote environment like One Community is designed for. That's where we're starting, because we want to be able to have enough space to grow our own food, to be able to build the way that we want, all these different things. We need to start from a clean slate, but it's designed to be able to be implemented within any environment. You know, it wouldn't be a breakthrough living and thriving model if it required only this specific environment. It needs to be something that can be implemented anywhere. And we're creating the easy to follow free shared plans for that. And we're building a powerful engine for change to push this idea forward as a grassroots movement of people coming together around the world. And we've already worked with over 1,000 volunteers to do this, to create this, because we want to live this way and we want to make it accessible to everybody else that wants to live this way, and ultimately and quickly, easy enough, affordable enough, and just attractive enough so it starts spreading on its own. Because a self-replicating model like that, if you bring together just 50 people and build something like this, start something like this, and those 50 people inspire 2 more communities to start the next year, inspires 4 more communities next year, and 8 more the next year, and 16 the next year, and 32 next year, and 64 after that. A doubling like that within 30 years would include the entire population of the planet. Now, obviously, there will be community refugees of communities that start and don't succeed, but the idea is to create a self-replicating model to create enough success so we can reach that tipping point. Again, we don't need all of humanity for this to succeed. And the challenges are great enough now that the motivation is there, and our ability to communicate is greater than ever in the history of humanity. And artificial intelligence and all these other resources that we're bringing on board right now to make this happen, we have the ability to do this within one generation. That's what One Community is all about. And so we're building the foundations for maximizing sustainable benefit in all these different areas and putting them all together. And everything you see happening in the background of this video is exactly what we're creating. The step-by-step plans and guides, and easy to follow step-by-step instructions are for all of that. Innovative designs covering all these different areas so that we've created something that's applicable everywhere. And for those that aren't interested in the complete model, we still can provide something for them that moves humanity in the right direction. And this is just us. Imagine when there's 10 versions of One Community, 100 versions of One Community doing this. Look at what Wikipedia has done, just as one organization. And so humanity has demonstrated an astonishing ability to make change when we want to. And so One Community is maximizing the sustainable benefit to motivate more and more people to do that. Providing enough individual, I've even said this, I've said selfish philanthropy, selfish humanitarian. The benefits for building this and creating this are massive for me and the people that are working on it. That's why we want to do it. We're so excited to live within this environment, to create within this environment, to bring together people in real space and to be able to open source and free share this and be that ripple that grows into a wave of change. Igniting a fire, building this engine. And we've already engine of world change, and we've already made a mountain of progress doing this. 300,000 hours of research and development. That is a crazy amount of volunteer time and energy that's put into this, and we're just getting started. So this is our idea. Everything you see happening in the video is what we're creating. We're maximizing sustainable benefit because we see a world that works for everyone as possible, completely realistic within our lifetime, and we're creating the step-by-step instructions to prove that. And so if you'd like to see exactly what our all-volunteer team has accomplished within the last week working on this, visit our written blog. If you'd like to see what we actually created, like all the open source plans, tools, tutorials, resources, what we've created that's usable right now and what we're still working on, visit our website. If you'd like to help out, visit our helping page. If you'd like the easiest way to help out, like and subscribe, or if you'd like a weekly dose of positivity, subscribe to our newsletter through our website, and you will get 1 email a week with these weekly progress updates. And just know that every day we are working on maximizing sustainable benefit with everything that we do. Every day is progress, and we will, of course, keep on keeping on. So stick around for a couple of minutes if you'd like to see the bullet points for everything else that's going on in our project. And thanks for watching our video and following our progress.
The one community approach to highest good housing is eco-artistic home building that is affordable, sustainable, do-it-yourself duplicable, resource and space efficient, and consists of 7 different sustainably constructed village models. One Community is also creating an open-source duplicable city center. It is designed to be LEED Platinum certified, provide 12 guest rooms, dining for over 150 people, and laundry and recreation space for over 300 people, all while saving money, time, space, and resources. One Community's approach to highest good food is duplicable almost anywhere, scalable for different needs, more biodiverse and nutritious, part of forwarding a global open-source botanical garden collaborative, and includes 9 different free, shared, and duplicable growing environments. One Community's approach to highest good education is designed for all age groups, adaptable to any schooling environment, inspiring and fun for all participants, includes national standards, all subjects, lesson plans, teaching strategies, learning strategies and tools, classroom design, and more. The One Community approach to highest good society is globally focused, individually enriching, cooperative and collaborative, includes a highest good network and application, 4 different economic models, and combines fulfilled living and true earth stewardship for the benefit of all people and all life on this planet.